On a busy evening, two food plates sat side by side at a small food stall. One was simple, wrapped in paper, a little messy. It cost 20 rupees. The other looked perfect, neatly plated, shiny and stylish. It cost 200 rupees. The 200 rupee food glanced at the 20 rupee food and smiled confidently. "People buy me to feel special," it said. "I'm expensive for a reason." The 20 rupee food smiled back. "People buy me because they're hungry." A small boy walked up to the stall, holding a single 20 rupee coin. He looked at both plates and chose the 20 rupee food. The 200 rupee food watched as the boy took a bite. The boy's face lit up. "This tastes like home," the boy said softly. The 20 rupee food felt proud, not because it was chosen, but because it made someone feel safe and happy. A tired office worker came next. He checked his wallet, sighed, and smiled at the 20 rupee food. "I just need something that fills me," he said. Again, the 20 rupee food was chosen. The 200 rupee food stayed untouched. For the first time, it felt unsure. "Am I only for show?" it asked quietly. The 20 rupee food replied gently, "No, you're for celebrations. I'm for everyday life." Later, a family came together. They ordered both, 20 and 200, and shared the food. Laughter filled the air. The two foods sat side by side, finally understanding. It was never about the price. It was about the moment.
Follow for more videos like this.